In the manufacture of complex serial parts, a maximum degree of automation is required to minimize cycle times. When producing large components in low volumes, the focus is on performance and flexibility. In both cases, highest precision and quality are the crucial factors. At HELLER, the majority of these tasks are performed on HELLER machining centres. So what makes HELLER manufacturing special? More than 2,700 staff working on HELLER products on different continents pursue a common goal: the efficient production of high-quality machines and production systems. It all begins with the specific characteristics each new component has. As a first step, the machining process is determined. This includes the design of the relevant clamping fixtures. It is a first challenge the design engineers have to meet, as it involves finding a new solution for each component. Subsequently, the design is mechanically implemented. Even for the iconic innovator from the heart of the Stuttgart engineering region, this is an extensive task. To ensure perfect functioning, an engineer first of all performs a virtual simulation of all sequences. For this purpose, the 3D CAM system is used. It incorporates special measuring functions, facilitating quality control later on. Compliance with schedules is just as important in manufacturing as achieving highest quality. Therefore, it is vital that all the required tools and fixtures are provided in a timely fashion. To achieve this, staff is supported by the Equipment Management System, or EMS, containing a database of all production resources and tools. Perfect planning enables pre-picking of all tools required, ensuring they are provided in a timely fashion. Additionally, all parts have to be precisely measured, set up, and digitally coded. A HELLER machining centre consists of more than 10,000 parts. Among the largest ones are the machine bed and the column, weighing several tons. They provide the foundation for the proven stability and longevity of all products. Complex cast parts are the starting point for the machining process. The clamping fixture securely holds the raw part in the desired position on the pallet. A major advantage of EMS is knowledge transfer. The fixture designer is able to immediately identify any changes made to the workpiece setup. As a result, every bit of know-how can be applied in a timely and effective manner. In 2016, the MDA-PDA system was introduced for the acquisition of machine and production data generated in more than 8,000 operations every day. These systems provide online access to the processing status of the order. The advanced planning and scheduling system is able to derive specific planning information from the various data sources regarding utilization, delivery dates, and machining sequence. It also provides reliable simulations into the future. The manufacturing process itself is nearly fully automated. The raw part arriving from the automated high bay warehouse is delivered directly to the machine. External programming of the milling centre increases the machine's productivity and ensures error-free machining. Despite all the technical tools available in the age of Industry 4.0, the staff's many years of experience is the key to success. During production, a staff member monitors the manufacturing process to ensure it runs smoothly. The measured data are stored in the centralized quality assurance system. Wireless transmission helps to eliminate input errors. Each individual component is rigorously inspected using high-precision measuring equipment. The high standards applied are a challenging hurdle for each component to overcome. The CAM system provides the relevant 3D data. As a result, greater measuring accuracy and ease of operation are guaranteed. Once all components have passed the quality assurance tests, there is a new challenge to meet: the assembly of countless individual parts to a perfectly functioning whole. Step by step, the individual parts are assembled to form complete sub-assemblies. Throughout the process, the function and precision of each individual group are checked in detail. A look into the design database helps guarantee that all components have been mounted in the right place, ensuring that the sub-assembly can be installed without any problem. During commissioning, the machine undergoes systematic accuracy checking. The acquired digital data are stored in the quality assurance system. If problems occur during the test run, the consistently digital documentation created during the assembly phase helps to quickly identify their cause and to solve them. When everything has been completely assembled, the crucial question is, will the machine and the individually designed fixtures be able to handle the task? Will the promised level of precision be achieved? Or will the production of the system take more time than planned? But there is another quality that distinguishes HELLER. Over 125 years, HELLER has gathered experience, learning what customers expect from their machines, regardless of what has to be produced or where it has to be produced. HELLER staff possesses decades of experience and vast specialist knowledge, and to many issues that occur, they have already found an answer. Among the beneficiaries are not only production managers and machine operators. Companies using HELLER products benefit from reduced downtimes, high availability, and hence lower per-piece costs, because they are operating efficient machines, well equipped for the manufacturing tasks of today and tomorrow.